This is Dr. Suguna. Are you learning programming? You are stuck on a bug while programming? Then, in this video, I am going to share you some tips and tricks for debugging your code. Now, first let us understand what is debugging. Debugging is the process of finding and fixing the errors in your code. The first step in debugging is to understand the problem. What is causing the bug and how it is affecting your program, that you need to understand. Once you understand the problem, then you can start looking for potential solutions. So this may involve reviewing your code, testing different scenarios, or seeking help from other. That is the final stage. Always you can seek help from other programmers also. It's important to be patient and methodological. While you are debugging, this rushing or making assumptions can lead to more errors. So do not rush or make any assumptions. Finally, when you have found the fixed bug, then you can take time to reflect on what you have learned. And how can you prevent similar bugs from happening in the future? That will also get understood. So, if you are the beginner in learning the programming and if you are struggling with debugging your code, remember to take a step back and understand the problem. The approach to debugging with the proper method and the patient mindset, and if you approach like that, then debugging will be very easy. Don't be afraid to seek help when needed. And if you want to learn more about the tech topics, be sure to follow our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button and also spread this or share to your friends who are interested in the tech topics. Thank you.